So let's come here and click on the exposure tool. Now if some people will actually think it's bright, bringing out our brightness to coming here, bringing our brightness, contrast adjustment layer, and then increasing the brightness. And then after we increase the brightness, we come here and then we click Ctrl I, and then take our brush tool and then brush over our face with the foreground color white, and then boom, we fix the image just like so. So we have this, and then we start painting all over our body. Then we say, oh, we've done editing the photo. And then I'm going to come to the exposure tool, and then the only thing I'm going to adjust, we won't adjust the exposure because the exposure is not going to change anything. We just have to put this to 0. Where we're going to adjust is the gamma correction. One thing about the gamma correction is that it tells you where in the picture needs to be bright and where the picture needs to be darker. So if you take it here, it's going to bring it dark, and then if you bring it all the way up, you see it's telling you that, oh, these are the brighter part of the image. So we're just going to find the sweet spot for the image. So just about there. Let's zoom out and let's see what we have. So this will be okay. So let's take a look at our before and after. So you can see now the color, the brightness of our cloth is matching that of the grass, and the brightness of our face is matching that of the flowers. So turn before and then after. Now we have all the image, the color standing out.